Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. I got a goodie for you here today, and it's better than sheet pans. You may have heard of using dryer sheets to clean your sheet pans, and it's not my favorite technique. There are better things to clean your sheet pans with, and if you cannot get it clean, by the way, I have a video on that, I would just go out and get a brand new one. This one I'm just fine with. So here's the trick that I want to teach you today. Yes, this is kind of cool. We are going to fan ourselves with a dryer sheet. Let's just take a little tour here into the office that my husband and I share, and oftentimes it can get, well, kind of stinky. So I'm going to show you two ways to use these. This is also a great trick to use in your closet. What you can do is take your dryer sheet, the air's running right now, the heat actually was just going to make it smell awesome. You can take your dryer sheet and just shimmy it on in your vent. That way when the heat comes up or the air rises, it's going to smell like fresh linen in your space. You also can easily just remove your vent, place it right in there. Now you want to be very careful. I would recommend latching it to the vent. That way it doesn't go down in there and you're dealing with something else. Here's what I like to do instead. Take a paper clip, you know I love a good paper clip, take your dryer sheet and clip it to the side right here. That way you never have to worry about it going down the drain, so to speak. So what you want to do is flip this over. Make sure that you do not turn your vent or that paper clip's going to pop right off. People are going to be looking around your house for candles, for incense, for wall plugins. Here it's hidden and it's your secret trick. And this is a way more effective use of dryer sheets other than in your sheet pans. If you've tried this before, let us know in that comments box below. Give this video a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks to make your day. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.